In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Steam notifications. First, open Steam on your computer and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. A new window will open with several options on the left menu. Click on Notifications. In this section, you'll be able to fully control Steam notifications. To disable notifications from friends, simply go to this area and turn them off. You can disable everything or customize it. For example, you can turn off the sound while keeping Toast notifications enabled. Choose the option that works best for your gameplay. You can also choose when Toast notifications appear, when you're not in a game, never, or at any time. If you scroll down, you'll find other types of Steam notifications besides friend notifications. For example, notifications for friend requests, wish list items that go on sale, and many other alerts. All of these can be disabled or customized according to your preference. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.